Alright, so today I am going to make a video on how to make fire starters using pine needles. And I think I've got pine needles, but hemlock is better. We couldn't find any hemlock, so we have pine needles. And some white birch. And here I have a bag of sawdust. So, and then we're going to melt some wax on top of them. So we're heading to Silent Lake to do some winter camping this week. And I decided to make some fire starters out of this material. So if you're looking to make fire starters, then you may want to watch this video. So I'm using egg cartons. You can use whatever you want. You can use muffin containers, but I figure this will work just fine. And I'm just putting some wood chips in the bottom, and then we'll layer it, and then we'll pour the wax. Just melting the wax.
There's a ring in underneath.
Oh, the ring is holding the glass off the bottom.
So it doesn't smash.
So it doesn't smash. And then we are going to pour the wax over this, and then we have our fire starters. I'm just going to put a little bit more in there. And again, hemlock is the best spruce tree to use because it has a natural flammable oil in the needle. So if you can find hemlock, it's the best, along with the white birch and some sawdust. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. Okay, so I've got my egg cartons prepped and ready to go. We're just waiting for the wax to melt. And you can use any wax that you have. You can use an old candle, you can use beeswax, you can use craft wax that you can get at any craft store. Whatever wax you want to melt down. Okay.
Okay.
Wax is melted.
Probably should have been on the other side.
Mm-hmm. That's a lot of wax, and we only did one. So that's like 500 milliliters of wax for one egg carton. But we'll see what it looks like.
It'll be enough because if you squeeze down, you can really see the wax. But
Actually, you can see it's on the egg carton,
yeah,
so it's soaking through. So we'll let that cool off, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here's the finished product. And I'm just going to light this to show you. I'm not going to start a fire. It is snowing, but let's light this thing and see how it works. Homemade fire starter. Using an egg carton, some wax, some wood shavings, pine needles, and white birch. And it seems to be burning pretty nicely.